Let's talk about what just happened. Google took Notebook LM and gave it a new name. It's now called Gemini Notebook. But don't let the name fool you. This is not just a new name slapped on an old tool. Here's the truth. Your notebooks did not change. Your documents did not change. Your history did not change. Everything you had before is still there. What changed is where this tool is going next. Google wants one big family of AI tools. They all live under the name Gemini now. So Gemini Notebook is becoming part of the Gemini app. It's becoming part of Google Search. It's becoming part of AI mode. And Google says more products are coming soon. This matters for SEO. Why? Because your research does not have to stay stuck in one app anymore. Think about what that means for keyword research, content planning, and competitor tracking. Your notebook could soon talk to search itself. Now, here is the biggest update. Gemini Notebook can now use a secure cloud computer. What does that mean in plain words? It can write code, it can run Python, it can look through spreadsheets, it can build charts, it can do real math on real data. Before, this tool could only read your documents. Now it can work with them. For SEO, that means you could feed it a big keyword spreadsheet and it can sort it, score it, and hand you back a plan. Right now, this feature is rolling out first to AI Ultra and Workspace business users, with wider access coming later. But that's not all. Gemini Notebook is not just about text anymore. It can make audio summaries, it can make video summaries, it can make visual breakdowns of hard topics. So instead of reading 20 long PDFs, you could listen to a summary on your drive to work. Let's talk fast about the name history because it's a fun one. It started 3 years ago as Project Tailwind, then it became Notebook LM. Now it's Gemini Notebook. Same mission the whole time. Help people learn faster and understand more. It's why this whole thing matters more than people think. This is not a note-taking app anymore. Think of it like your own AI memory. It's turning into your research assistant, your knowledge base, your learning partner that never forgets a source. Let's dig a bit deeper into these new features because there's more here than just a name change. Remember, everything you already had stays exactly the same. Same notebooks, same documents, same features, same website, same history. Nothing gets deleted, nothing gets locked away. You just wake up one day and the tool has a new name and a bigger future ahead of it. The secure cloud computer feature is the one I want you to really pay attention to. Right now, it's rolling out first to AI Ultra and Workspace business users, with a wider rollout planned after that. Once you have access, this changes how much you can actually do inside one single tool. Writing code, running Python, processing full spreadsheets, building charts from raw numbers. That used to mean opening 5 different tools. Now it can happen inside your notebook. And the interactive outputs are worth slowing down on too. This is not just plain text summaries anymore. Gemini Notebook can turn your sources into audio overviews you can listen to, video-style summaries you can watch, and visual explanations for the harder topics. So if you're the kind of person who learns better by listening or watching instead of reading, this update was basically built for you. It's the SEO angle that really excites me. Because Gemini Notebook is becoming part of Google Search and AI mode, your research is not staying stuck behind a login screen anymore. Google is slowly building a world where your notes, your sources, and your research could show up connected to search itself. That means the work you do inside your notebook could end up feeding directly into how you plan content for search, not just how you study it after the fact. And one more small detail that matters more than people realize. Google didn't just add features and call it a day. They renamed the whole product to fit under one big Gemini umbrella on purpose. So every future AI feature they build shares the same home. That tells you this is not a side project. This is Google betting big on notebooks, becoming a permanent part of how people research, write, and learn. How can you actually use this thing for SEO and content, especially if you're building something like the AI Profit Boardroom community? I'm going to walk you through real workflows you can copy today. Workflow 1, this one is for finding fresh AI and SEO news every single week, so you never run out of things to talk about. It uses Gemini Notebook to turn scattered articles into one clean research file for your content and your community. Here's the prompt. Go find the last 7 days of news about Google search updates, AI SEO tools, and content ranking changes. Save every source into one notebook. Then summarize the biggest changes in simple language. Pull out 3 talking points I could use in a video or a post for the AI Profit Boardroom community and list the exact sources so I can double check every fact. Result, you get one clean file with real sources, plain summaries, and ready to use talking points. No guessing. No fake facts, just a fast, honest news update you can share with your audience in minutes. Workflow 2. This one is for building SEO research for a client or for your own site fast, without spending your whole day digging through search results by hand. Here's the prompt. Look at the top 10 ranking pages for this keyword. Pull out what they cover, what they're missing, and how long they are. Then build me a content outline that covers everything they have, plus the gaps they missed. Add 3 related topics I could turn into extra articles to build out a full topic cluster for better rankings. The result, you walk away with a full content plan built from real ranking pages. It shows you exactly what to write, what to add, and how to build a stronger topic cluster that search engines like Google actually reward with better rankings. One last tip before we wrap up. Start small. Don't try to load 100 documents into Gemini Notebook on day one. Pick one project. Maybe it's your next blog post. Maybe it's a content plan for the week. Load in 5 or 6 good sources and see what it gives you back. Once you trust the output, then you can go bigger. And keep checking its work. AI tools are getting better every month, but you are still the one putting your name on the content. Read the summary, check the facts, fix anything that sounds off. That's how you use AI the smart way, not the lazy way. If you found this useful, you know what to do, like this video. Comment below and tell me what you'll use Gemini Notebook for. Julian reads every single comment, so don't be shy. Before you go, I want to leave you with 2 things. First, if you're completely new to SEO and you want to build a solid foundation alongside all these AI tools, we've got you covered too. Understanding how content strategy actually works, how to approach link building the right way, and what a genuinely good keyword looks like, that stuff still matters no matter how advanced the AI gets. That's why we put together a free SEO course, and it's linked right in the description. It's got over 260 lessons in it, covering everything you need to go from knowing nothing about SEO to actually understanding how it all fits together. It's completely free, so there's no reason not to check it out. Go grab that link below and start learning today. Second, remember this. Creating content is only half the battle. You can use Gemini Notebook, AI tools, and every trick in the book to make amazing content, but if your site is not set up to rank, none of that content is going to get the traffic it deserves. That's where SEO comes in. My team helps businesses rank higher on Google, bring in more organic traffic, and turn that traffic into real leads and real growth. And if you're building something like the AI Profit Boardroom or growing your own community around AI and automation, this is exactly the kind of foundation that helps that growth actually stick. If you want help with your SEO, check the link in the comments and description to book a free SEO strategy session with my team, and let's map out a plan together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.